All right, now that we created this string block, we need to understand what each of those functions actually do. Let me say I would like to have my screen inside of a cylinder type, right? So the cylinder will be my envelope. The envelope is a place that you want to see your ADMS inside that, created inside that. So I would go to here into type cylinder, put it here. Well, I would like to have this slightly this, and let's say 10. Okay, this cylinder sounds good to me. And now I want to perform a sprint inside this one. So it is very important to consider Spherene in nTop accepts the input as a mesh and the output is also a mesh. So if I want to take the cylinder as an envelope, it does not let me to do that because it needs to be a mesh. So what I need to do initially is to create a block mesh from implicit body and then mesh this cylinder. I want it sharp. Okay, so I have this one. Now I'm going to rename it to mesh cylinder, ready to be inside of the envelope section. There we go. We have it here. Notice that my density is 20%, and I would like to use also high power computation just to make it shorter and start. That's it. I will start, a sticker will pop up and give a short report of what is actually going on and how long does it take. Meanwhile, I would like to create an implicit body out of the mesh, which will come out. So I tap on, let's wait for the sticker, there we go. You will see it's like this, you have the current run, how much percentage it's already done, your license here, and then you will see the technical details. How much time does it take? How many tokens does it take? And so on. The estimated time is 73 seconds here, so less than 2 minutes. I'm going to minimize it. Now, what I would like to do after I got my mesh, I want it to be implicit body to be able to see it and understand it. So I click on add block, implicit body from mesh. I'll recreate it here. And also I need to give a thickness to it. So I would go with thicken body. These two blocks are very important to be able to visualize your Spherene structure. I give a thickness of 0.4. Little hint here is usually choose your thickness around the density reference thickness amount as much as it is. Maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less is okay, but being around that can be quite helpful. Now let's get back to this TK. Okay, we are in the 5th out of 6 layer of this calculation, and it is almost done. 6 out of 6. You can also abort here if you think it is taking too much time and you don't want to put that much time, or if something is going wrong, you can just clearly abort it here. You can manage your license here or remove the license. I suggest do not remove your license because you will face some issues. There we go. Yes, export it. It is ready. And now the pop-up will be closed automatically. There we go, 100% done. And here we are. Now it is loading in nTop. What we need to see is this one. So I'm going to isolate this by tapping on I button. Let me just rename it to Spherene implicit. Okay, there we go. Looks good.